physics. Today we're going to be doing the, I'm going to butcher the calorimeter, we're going to do a heat transfer experiment.
Calorimetry.
What was that?
Calorimetry.
Can you say that louder?
No.
Calorimetry. Okay. Ask Patrick, he says it well. Okay, so we're going to be doing a number of things. A couple items we need. We have our, basically, chamber we'll be using to do the heat transfer in, a source of heat to be transferred, basically boiling water, number of specimens, some copper, steel, aluminum.
Why did you say it like that?
Well, that's how the British say it. Aluminum.
We're American.
American. Okay, aluminum.
Thank you.
And brass. Okay, a lot of things we've used in the past. A pair of tongs, because that would hurt. Okay. Some temperature taking devices, and of course, a massing device. Okay. So first things first. What I'd like to do is mass out our specimens first. So let's do copper. So let's say copper is going to be 141.6 grams. Aluminum, 43.6 grams. Brass, 136.3 grams. And steel, 124.9 grams. Now, we need a couple masses. We need the mass of the metal, and we also going to need the mass of the water that we're going to cool it in. Not that mass, this mass. So let's tear this guy out. And just give a little bit of water. $184.7 grams. Alright. Now what we need is to start heating up some specimens. Let's do copper first. Always practice a safe heat. Need some initial temperatures. So let's get the temperature of the water. Give it a few seconds to come to equilibrium. Is it on? Ooh. Appears to be 20.0 degrees Celsius.
Yeah, they can't read that.
Trust me, 20.0 degrees Celsius for the water sample for copper. That's the initial water temperature. Now, we need to give the copper a little bit of time to come to temperature, so let's go to pause for a second. Back on? Mm-hmm. Alright, through the magic of time editing, we had let the metal sit for several minutes in the boiling water to come to temperature. The chain we're going to dump in is still 20 degrees Celsius. The specimens are coming in at, looks like 100.8 100 point, keep it agitated, 0.3 degrees for initial temperature of the metal. Okay. So now what we're going to do is quickly and carefully move the metal from the boiling water and put it into my heat transfer chamber. Don't drop it. Quickly, without touching anything when you have to. And we're going to close and agitate. Quickly get the heat moved from the metal to the water and obtain some kind of equilibrium. So we're going to just agitate for 20 or 30 seconds until the temperature thermometer stops changing. We were at 20 and we're already at 25.1 degrees Celsius. 25.1. Guess what? Still 25.1. Still 25.1. So I think we've transferred as much heat as we're going to get. So 25.1 degrees Celsius. And we have good data. That's the experiment. Now we're just going to reset and do 3 more. 1 for each metal. So I'm going to close this one out and we'll start a new one up when I'm set up for another one.